Hi, welcome to Proximity IT Solution. Here we are, representing one of our solution, gate management. Kindly check the animation. Here you can see one vehicle which is passing a boom barrier device. The camera scans the number plate of the vehicle. If the vehicle number is already registered in our online application server, the barrier will open automatically. If the coming vehicle number is not registered in our application server, the gate will not be open. Through this animation, we want to show you the access control of all coming vehicles. You can use this turnkey solution in any kind of in and out vehicle area, just like parking area, commercial building, shopping mall, hospitals, airports, bus and railway station, schools and colleges parking area, etc. We also build all kind of customized application in online as well as offline platforms. Thanks for watching video. You can contact us on 9826863173.